Did you know that TVs and soundbars didn't work in sync until now? But with the introduction of Q Symphony, you'll get amazing sound output from your TV and soundbar at the same time. When your TV and soundbar play together, you will enjoy deeper, richer surround sound, and it's really easy to set up. Ready to give it a try? Just follow along. First, you'll need an HDMI or optical audio cable. If you're using HDMI, just connect the cable from the soundbar to your TV and you're done. Once you're all connected, go to your TV's home screen. Select sound output from the quick settings. Then you'll see the soundbar and TV you connected like this. Of course, there are other ways to do it too. This time, skip over the quick settings and go to the settings menu. First, select settings, then sound. After that, it's the same as before. Do you see the soundbar and TV pair you connected? Just choose the TV plus AV soundbar pair, and that's it. All done. Easy, right? Q Symphony is the best way to enjoy full-scale sound from the content you're watching. So, are you ready for a next-level sound experience?